Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.1. In today's video, we will discuss about the bank transaction with PDF preview. You can preview the attached documents from the bank transaction list view whenever a document is linked to bank statement. In order to do this, we can move on to the accounting module. And in the accounting module, you can find the dashboard. From there, we can just move on to the uh, bank. Choose the three dots and here you can find the statements. So currently you can see the balance over here. As you just move on to the bank and you can see the last statement is 6,378. And upon moving to the statements, we can just preview the attachment and here you can find the transactions and everything. So as you just move on to the transaction, it lists out all the transactions and the total amount. As well as you just move on to the bank statements, here you can easily download the attached document. So when you just choose the settings of the bank statement, here you can see we can find the statement, and upon clicking that, you can see that it will be downloading and you can find the statement over here. So if you want to see the statement, you can view that. So let me just move on to the back side and here you can find the statement. So let me open it and here this shows a bank statement which is attached. So this is how we just get the bank transactions with the PDF preview. So if you want Odoo customizations or implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.